Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to review an amazing software to record your screen. But the difference is that we are talking about of online screen recorder. You don't need an application to start using this software right now. We are talking about of Surflex, online screen recorder from nablamind.com. It's 100% free software. You can record the screen in high definition, no watermark and no time limit. Actually, I'm going to record the entire video using Surflex, the online screen recorder version. But also, you can use the version for Windows and Mac that add more features. But with the Surflex online screen recorder, you can record your screen with audio with no watermarks, no limit, using any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. How this works? It's easy to select the record screen or the webcam. Choose the audio recording option. Select the browser. You can select to share the current screen or only the current application. Click New Record. Until you finish, just click Stop and that's it. You're going to just able to download the record video to your computer. It's basically the same thing that I'm doing right now, because at the moment that I click on Stop Recording, I'm going to visualize the session that I record. To review, just click on Download. And this is a great solution for digital nomad, where you are on the go. Maybe you do have all the regular tools that maybe you're using in your studio. With this option, it's easy to record the computer screen. But there is more, of course. You want more features? Don't worry. There is an app for Windows and for Mac. So you can record audio, videos on different format, high quality from HD up to 4K up to 60 frames per second. Well, which devices does this online screen recorder support? Let's see. The Surflex free online recorder tool is compatible with Windows and Mac. The online version. Remember, any of those browsers are compatible using the different operating system, Windows and Mac. This is important. Is there a time limit when using the video recorder? As we mentioned before, it's completely free to use and there is no time limitation. So use it with confidence. Will there be a watermark on my video? No, no watermark. Remember, I'm recording all this video using the Surflex online, 100% online, and there is no watermark. If you need support, well, you can reach support at nablamind.com. If you encounter any issues or need more information or support. But, of course, there is a version for Mac. Let's see it. This is the Surflex screen recorder application for Mac. We can record the full screen or select a specific region of the screen. Select the webcam or the source of the sound. For example, microphone, system sound, and microphone, or just record without audio. From the record audio, as you can see, I'm talking right now. There is a small graphic, but it's the same. On microphone, it's the same thing. The source of the sound will be the microphone system sound or system sound and microphone. The facing from the webcam, but we don't have the webcam connected. On settings, you can select the output folder, the language of the main interface, the format of the video from MP4 or any other audio format, quality, HD or in the high quality, frame rate up to 60 frames per second. Also, you can use the camera mirror display if you're using the webcam, or GPU acceleration if your hardware have this feature. To save an extra audio file, you are recording a session on the screen of your computer. This feature separates the audio in a different file, but you need the professional version of the software. For the audio format, you can choose from MP3 up to FLAC, or also these other different formats. Of course, the bill rate and the sampling rate. To start recording, you can choose some shortcut. Those are the shortcut for Mac. For Windows are different. At the moment that you click here on the record button, you're going to see a countdown from 5 seconds. Or if you choose 10 seconds off, just start recording immediately. Just click OK. We are ready to start recording. Now Surflex online screen recorder became one of our favorite online tools, because with this incredible tool, there is nothing to install. At least you need advanced features like a whistle on the application. Remember that worked for Windows and Mac, but if you want to make a screen recorder for a video like this, for example, you can use the online version. Many thanks to enable a mind to trust in time to videos, your channel. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe. It's free. Hit the like button, share, and comment. And remember, there are more videos in the channel just for you for free. Hope to enjoy and stay tuned. There are more videos are going to be released soon, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching until the end, and remember, see you on the next video.